Somewhere on a river island in India, there is a forest bigger than Central Park. Tigers live in it, rhinos. 100 wild elephants walk in every year and stay for months. Every ecosystem map says it shouldn't be there, because in 1979, it wasn't. There was only sand, a dead, cracked sandbar in the middle of a river. One man planted this forest, tree by tree by tree, every single day, for more than 40 years. And here is the part nobody believes. For nearly 30 of those years, no one even knew it existed. Assam, northeast India. The island of Majuli in the Brahmaputra, a river so vast it swallows land whole. The monsoon of 1979 is a brutal one. When the water finally pulls back, a teenager from the Mising tribe walks out onto the sandbar to see what the flood has left behind. What it has left is snakes, hundreds of them, washed up by the water, stranded on bare sand, and killed, one by the heat. No shade, no cover, not a single tree. The boy stands among the dead and has a thought that will decide the rest of his life. What if this happened to people? He does what you're supposed to do. He asks for help. The forest officials look at the sandbar and tell him the truth as they see it. Nothing grows there. If you want trees so badly, plant them yourself. So he goes to the elders of his tribe instead, and the elders don't laugh. They give him a handful of bamboo seedlings. Bamboo, because bamboo survives what nothing else can. And they tell him to begin. An entire forest starts as a gift. His name is Jadav Payeng. He carries the seedlings out onto the dead sand and plants them. Understand what planting means here. There is no soil. There is no shade. There is no water a bucket can't reach. So he carries water by hand across the sand, morning after morning. He learns, by pure trial and error, what lives and what dies. And then he does something no one taught him. He starts carrying in earthworms, releasing them into the sand, so they will build him soil. Before he can grow a forest, he has to grow the ground it stands on. For a while, there's even help. A government planting scheme arrives. Workers, saplings, structure. For 3 years, he isn't alone out there. Remember that. It matters in a moment. In 1983, the project ends. The funding goes. The workers go. Everyone goes. Except him. The saplings can't leave, so neither does he. For the next 30 years, alone, he keeps planting. He builds a hut inside the growing trees and lives in it. The nearest human being is 7 kilometers away. No salary, no audience, no one watching at all. Just a man, a riverbank, and a promise nobody heard him make. And now, like every story we tell here, it becomes routine. Plant, water, protect. Through his 20s, his 30s, his 40s, elections come and go, The river floods and retreats. His hair goes gray. The bamboo becomes a thicket. The thicket becomes a canopy. He plants arjun, teak, silk cotton, fruit trees, so the animals that don't exist yet will one day have something to eat. He is planting a menu for guests who haven't arrived. The sandbar disappears. Something else is standing where it used to be. The animals come the way animals do, quietly, without permission. Deer first, then 100 of them. Wild boar, monkeys, rabbits, birds, and then vultures, back after 40 years of absence, circling a forest that didn't exist when they left. A rhino. Tigers, a family of them, denning in a forest one man planted. And then, one year, the elephants. A wild herd, 100 strong, walks out of the river and into his trees, and stays for months at a time. They come back every year now. 10 calves have been born under his canopy. He said it was one of the happiest moments of his life, the thing he'd wanted to see since he was a child. By now the forest is enormous, and still, nobody knows. Nearly 30 years, and the outside world has no idea it's there. Then, one day, a journalist gets lost along the river and walks into a forest that isn't on any map. He starts taking photographs. At which point, the forest's owner, gardener, and entire security force, one man, spots a stranger with a camera, assumes he's a poacher, and charges him. That is how the world discovers the forest man of India, mid-tackle. The journalist calms him down, hears the story, and can't believe what he's standing inside. 1,500 acres, planted by hand, by one person. The article spreads. Then the story does what true stories do. A university names him the Forest Man of India. A film about him wins an award at Cannes. In 2015, the President of India places the Padma Shri, one of the nation's highest civilian honors, in the hands of a dairy farmer from Majuli. He speaks at the Paris Climate Conference. And then he goes home and keeps planting, because the forest doesn't know it's famous. The trees still need water. So every morning, the most celebrated forester on earth gets up and carries it to them. Jadav Payeng is a dairy farmer. He went to school to class 10. He has never owned very much. Nothing about him announced that he would outplant a government and hand a living forest to the future. He just refused to stop. Every day, for more than 40 years. Ask him, and he says he'll plant until his last breath. Every week on this channel, we tell one true story about ordinary people who quietly changed the world. The boy who watched snakes die on the sand is in his 60s now, and the sand is a jungle with tigers in it. If stories like this one matter to you, subscribe. It genuinely helps us tell the next one. And next week. One night in 1983, an alarm sounds in a bunker outside Moscow. The screens say the end of the world has already begun. And one man has minutes to decide if they're telling the truth. The ones who change the world most never seem to notice they're doing it.